To export Best Places employment opportunities, start by visiting the Best Places website and navigating to the Employment section. This website provides a comprehensive list of job openings across various cities and industries. First, select the city or region you are interested in, and then choose the job category that aligns with your career goals. You can browse through the list of available jobs, or use the search function to find specific job titles or keywords. Once you have found the job listings you want to export, look for the export or download option. This is usually located at the top or bottom of the page, and may be labeled as CSV, Excel, or PDF. Click on the export option and select the file format you prefer. If you choose CSV or Excel, you can easily import the data into a spreadsheet for further analysis or organization. If you choose PDF, you can save the job listings as a document for easy reference. After selecting the file format, choose the specific data fields you want to export, such as job title, company, location, and description. You can also select the number of job listings to export, whether it is a specific number or all available listings. Finally, click the Export button to download the file to your computer. You can then use the exported data to research job opportunities, track employment trends, or create a personalized job search database. Throughout the export process, be sure to respect the terms of use and copyright guidelines outlined on the Best Places website. This ensures that you are using the data responsibly and in compliance with the website's policies. By following these steps, you can effectively export Best Places employment opportunities and make informed decisions about your job search or career development. Remember to always verify the accuracy of the data and stay up to date with the latest job listings to maximize your chances of success.